To do, let's say I want to add, no, let me add sound from here. Let me add sound from here. So I want to use any sound here. This, let me download this one. So you can add soundtrack from here. So watch it. So let me add transition here now. So and that this one, let me use this one for here. How this effect so let me try this one again and add another one again. So let me see, I want to add this transition here now. You can see. So now we have tons of videos you want to add transition, but you have to carefully choose the one that you want to use on your video. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you.